Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swelth Hub. You know who it is. It's Gibmoses back with a brand new video here on Swelth Academy. It's been one freaking month since my last video. Days are flying by so quick. It feels like the last video I made was literally a week ago. Alright? So a huge apologies for that. I've been quite busy with all the daily videos I make for all the gold members. I'm busy with all the side businesses that I gotta manage in real life, work, you name it, family, friends, and the list goes on. And on top of that, I've been sick for the past 2 weeks. I basically couldn't speak. Your boy was sick to the point where I couldn't even get out of my bed. Alright? I was slurring my speech, my nose was runny, I had nosebleeds, and the list goes on. So now that I'm all recovered, thank God, I can make a video for all of you. I hope this video gives you some kind of insight of what's happening with ALTCOIN, because what I'm about to share with you is a very, and I mean very important technical analysis. I'm going to show you, I'm not going to go into depth with harmonics, Elliott waves, divergence, you name it. I'm going to focus on one simple pattern, which is going to be our triangle formation as well as our Fibonacci's. Alright, these levels, this is what's going to give us our next market indication for the coming months and possibly years. Alright, this is not a short-term analysis. This is more of a long-term analysis. So I'm going to start off with one simple pattern. Alright, and then we're going to work our way into the fractals. So right here we have our resistance level. Right here we have another resistance level, as well as this first fractal that cannot be missed. Alright, right here is what you call a resistance level. Alright, whenever price action crosses above this line, the market goes crazy parabolic to the upside and people make massive gains. Alright, so I'm about to show you in just a minute of when this is about to occur and how far up it's about to go. Alright, let's first find out what pattern is really forming, and that's your typical symmetrical triangle. Alright, you have your support, which in other words is your demand zone. This is where price action is always bouncing to the upside. Alright, so right here you have your first bounce, second bounce, and hallelujah, people celebrated, they made massive gains. Same thing over here, one touch, two touch, and breakout. Hallelujah. Once again, same story, people made their money. And last but not least, breakout and hallelujah. Alright, massive money was made, and we're talking, guys, we're talking 90% in a matter of months. You're never gonna get that type of return with real estate, with stocks, with your local bank or international bank. Never ever. Alright, only in crypto, that is. And that's the beauty of crypto. And at the same time, if you don't know what the hell you're doing and you're just entering positions randomly, then of course you're gonna get hit hard and lose 60%, 40%, 20%, you name it. My goal here is to give you accurate targets, accurate data that can benefit you in the long term. That way you're able to maximize your portfolio. So with that being said, why exactly am I drawing these triangle formations? Well, here's the thing, guys. This triangle formation is building, or forming I should say, on a massive time frame. Alright, just look at we have the same exact pattern, that is on the bigger boy time frame, which means sooner or later, once momentum decides to break above this white dotted upper line, in other words your resistance, which is right over here, the market, and I'm not bullshitting nobody over here, the market will go crazy freaking parabolic. So you might ask yourself, okay, how far up is it gonna go? Are we about to do a 20% jump, 30%, 100? How far up? In order to find out, this is where we compare our previous fractals and see what they did, take our average momentum to the upside and compare it to our big boy time frame. Alright, so right here I'm going to take my Fibonacci levels. This is where fibs are very handy. Right here at 0.618 we got a pullback. Alright, so the 0.618 once again was our resistance level. Our second fractal, I'm going to take it from top to bottom, just like that, and bingo, the 0.618 once again was our pivot point for that sell-off. Let's compare it with our most recent fractal, or not most recent, our latest fractal that occurred. We go from top to bottom and look at that. We have the 1.618, which triggered a major sell-off. Alright, so very simple, pretty self-explanatory. We take our highest high to our lowest low, and momentum always goes to that, towards that 1.618 right over here before a major sell-off. It repeated 3 times, 1, 2, 3, as well as our 4th time right over here. 1.618 once again was our selling momentum. This is where you sell. So why exactly am I covering this 1.618, this triangle formation? Well, here we go. I'm about to go on the daily chart. This is not me trying to cause some next level hopium, me trying to get you to buy Litecoin. This is simply because what Bitcoin, or my bad, what Litecoin has been forming this whole entire time ever since 18th of March 2020, it's been building one massive triangle formation, as we see, which gives us a target of the 1.618 at $657. Just like what we've seen with our previous fractals, 1.618 tends to get respected to the money. So with that being said, when does this breakout really occur? According to our triangle formation, just like what we had with our previous fractals, I'm not going to go into depth with them again. Once price action nears the apex, in other words, the end of the triangle, once we near that apex formation and we break above our upper white dotted line, this is where $600 comes in play. As of now, price action remains within the pennant formation. Therefore, it's an accumulation phase until white upper line is broken. That's where you're gonna see momentum start kicking massively to the upside. Alright, just like what we've seen with our previous fractals, however on a much broader fractal. I hope all this makes sense. For all the new people, I apologize if it's a bit too much. If you followed this video from beginning to end, hit that like button. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. If you want to see more Bitcoin videos, you want to see more XRP videos, more OMG videos, EOS, you name it, I'll be more than happy to look at your feedback and go from there. That being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video, gave you some kind of insight of what's happening in the market. With that being said, this is your boy Gibmoses signing off. As always guys, I'm not going to keep repeating this every video. If you enjoy these kind of videos, hit that like button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes. I know you guys can do it. You've done it multiple times in my previous videos. If we can get 100 likes, I'm gonna give you all a bonus giveaway. Alright, it's not gonna be your typical giveaway where I give random $15 gift cards or $10 Amazon gift cards. Nope. I'm gonna do a Apple giveaway or Apple Watch giveaway for the next video. That is once 100 likes is achieved. So without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video.